Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos. So if videos about clothes sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below for returning viewers. Thank you guys so much for coming back. I very much appreciate your support and comments. Hopefully you guys will like this video today and we'll give it a thumbs up at the end because that is so very much appreciated. Today I am doing a Fashom unboxing video. I'll tell you what it is super quick. Started out as just an app, but they do have a website now where it's not a subscription, it's just a order on demand, but I do order these quite frequently because I do find that their clothes are slightly more affordable. When you put in for a box, you get to choose a stylist, and based off of your style survey and what notes you sent to the stylist, they put together typically about 7 pieces, and of those 7 pieces, you choose which 5 you want to have sent to you. And again, it's like other styling services from there. You keep what you like, send back what you don't like. You only get charged for what you keep. The best thing about Fashom is you do get 25% off if you buy 3 or more items, and I love that about Fashom. If you are interested in trying Fashom and you want $10 off your first box, there's my referral link in the description below, so check that out. I thank everybody who has used my referral link below, and I've pretty much used up all the credit I've gotten so far, so I'm paying for all this myself. But let's go ahead and get into it. In your box you do get a note from the stylist, plus prices, plus more about the service, and then your mailer to send back. And then let's get to the bundle. Okay, there's the bundle, and I see a whole bunch of eclectic different things, so let's just get into it. Okay, first off, we have a pair of green skinnies. These are the Smoky Olive Crop Fray Hem Skinnies by Just Black, and they do have the step hem there at the bottom. I'm very excited about these. I've gotten a couple green pants in a couple different boxes and I keep rejecting them, and I've kind of been sad about that. I don't have any olive color pants yet, and I just think these are very cute. I like the frayed hem on it. It does have a hem on the bottom, so to keep it from fraying further, which I always appreciate that. And other than that, it's just a normal looking green clean pant, so hopefully this will fit, because if it does, it will probably be a keeper. Next up, we have this short sleeve black and white top. It's kind of a sweater material. It's got an interesting sleeve on it, and I think that is really cute. It's by Renee C, and I just think that's a really cute top. It'll be great for, you know, spring, summer, fall. Just a nice short sleeve top, so very cute. Next up we have, this is like a lace back sweater, so I guess I'll show you guys the back first. You got the lace here in the back, and then there's just kind of a cute pattern down the rest. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, there you go, you can see that. So I think that's a really cute detail. And then just a V-neck in the front. And I can't remember if I told you the brand. It is Skies Are Blue. And I like the looks of this. I think this is going to be a winner for me. I mean, I can't tell that yet, but it doesn't look too oversized. The sleeves look slim. I have high hopes for this. Okay, next up we have another lace back top by Skies Are Blue, but this one is kind of a pinkish mauvish and white. I did see this in Barbara at BC Sells, her channel. I'll put a link to that above, and she had the same top and she looked great in it. So I didn't know how I felt when I saw it on the app with these sleeves here, because it's kind of a little balloon-y here at the end and the elastic, and I just wasn't sure, but she looked really good in hers, so I'm hopeful that this will work for me. And then from Alexia Add More, we have this navy sweater here, and it's got kind of tasseling all over it. Hold that so you guys can see. Here, let's move this tag. So there in the front you've got tasseling, and then there on the sleeve you've got some more tasseling. So that's a very interesting detail. So we'll see how that looks. This does look like a more of a larger oversized type sweater, so we'll see. But I like the looks of everything, so hopefully it will all fit. And let's go ahead and try this stuff on. Okay, first up we have the short sleeve top and the green pants. I will start at the top. The top fits really, really well. It is not too loose. It is not too fitted. I think it's cute. I think it would be a good shirt to wear to work. I think it is, I like that it's kind of a thicker shirt because then I can wear it more kind of spring, fall when it is a little bit cooler. To have something a little bit thicker is nice. So I actually think I might keep this. What do you guys think? I like the sleeve detail on it. I think that's cute. So love to get people's opinions. Now, the pants. The pants, I want these to work so bad. I've tried so many green pants and they've all been pretty good. I just haven't wanted to pay for them or what, but I just don't think these are going to work for me. So at the top, they fit pretty well. A little bit of gapping up here. Feels like a slight extra room in here, but that's okay. But my only issue is the bottom. They're a little bit long, and they have a specific, they have the step hem, and it's not really a pant you can roll or you want to roll. It's a cute detail, but the top half is a perfect length, but the bottom half just kind of goes almost to the ground. So I don't think these are going to end up being keepers, but I love these. I really love these. These were a perfect pick out by my stylist. It just, the length just did not quite work on me. So, all right, let's go to the next top. Next up, we have this pink and white top. It fits really well. Again, I feel like up here, not too tight, not too loose, fits great in the bust area. And I think if this had been probably a slim sleeve the entire way, I would have kept it. But I just don't think I can do this. I don't think I can do the balloon sleeve on this. I didn't mind it on Barbara on her video. I thought she looked great in it, but then now when I see it on myself, it's just, I don't know. I just don't love it. So, okay, I don't think this is a keeper, so let's go to the next top. Next up, we have this navy sweater, and I really like it. It is soft. It feels like it's good quality. I like just normal slim sleeves on it. Very cute. Not too loose up here, just not too big. And then the lace-up detail. I actually haven't seen what the lace-up detail looks like, so I will see it when I edit this video. But dear future Jen, this is what the back of the sweater looks like. I really like this. At least from the front, it looks great. So I'll have to check out the video and see what the back looks like. But this definite keeper for me, provided it's not too expensive. All right, one more sweater. Okay, this sweater is just way too huge on me. This neckline is just weird and big, and then I feel like you could fit a Jen and a half in this sweater, so not a keeper for me. I think the tassel detail is cute, but I also think it could maybe be a pain to make sure all the little strands kind of keep pointing down and in the right direction. So sleeves are too long and just overall too big. That's the back. Okay, let's go to the recap. Okay, pulling out the stylist notes. Pulling out the stylist note. My stylist is Molly again, who I have had for the past few boxes, and so I will read her note real quick. She says, "Hello Jennifer and Jennifer's YouTube family." Aw, she knows I read these on my channel. "Thank you for shopping with Fashom again. It was so much fun styling you and fresh new styles from the latest Fashom collection. We hope to continue bringing you pieces that will enhance your wardrobe and have you feeling and looking your very best. Please note that some of our styles run very different in sizing, so we encourage you to try everything on regardless of the tag. Looking forward to seeing what you end up loving. Hope to style you again soon. XOXO Moss." Okay, so starting at the top, we have the Just Black Crop Fray Step Hem in Smoky Olive, and this is $55. I when I pulled this out of the box, I 100% expected that this was going to become mine, and it was just the length was a little bit too long. Again, to show you guys, you know, the step hem. So this length was great, but this length here in the back, it just too long. So that was very disappointing, but I will find green jeans sometime. I will. So not keeping that. Then I'm wearing the Renaissance short sleeve knit top, and it is $32. I like it. I thought I would definitely keep it if I was buying 3 items. So since I thought I'd be keeping the jeans, I thought maybe I could get 3 out of this. So I was planning on keeping this. Now I'm not so sure. We'll see. The Skies Are Blue V-neck lace back sweater. This is $42. I really loved this. I think this is going to be a sweater I could throw on with a pair of gray dress pants to wear to work, or even white once you know, we get more in the springtime. So I think this is a definite keeper for me. Then we have the fringe cable knit sweater. It doesn't say the brand. I know I read it off at the beginning. Alexia Admore, and it is $33. So this was obviously way too big for me. I will not be keeping that. And this is the Skies Are Blue V-neck red knit top, and it is $34. I just couldn't get past the balloon sleeve, so not keeping that. So my items I'm considering is this shirt here and the lace back sweater. Like I said, I'm definitely keeping the lace back sweater. This one is kind of iffy. I think since I'm not buying 3, which means I won't get the discount, I'm probably just going to stick to this sweater because I like this, but I don't know that I love it. I think for some reason I wish the sleeves were a little bit tighter on it. I don't know, but regardless, I don't love it. But the subtotal for the entire box is $196. If you take 25% off for buying 3 or more, it takes off $49. So the total for the entire box is $147. So, okay. So I think I've got my keeper, and I'm really excited about it. Another great Fashom box. Keep trying to put more time between orders with Fashom, and it just keeps not working. So I'm sure you will see another Fashom unboxing for me soon. Again, if you want $10 off of your first box, then please subscribe below. And again, I don't know that I mentioned there is no styling fee for the first 2 boxes, but from the 3rd on, there is a $15 styling fee. I think I've covered it all. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then subscribe below, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.